Hi guys, this is Giga from 2100 News. We're live from London for the Crypto Investor Show. I'm here with Robert. He's working with Zencash and he was also one of the speakers today. How are you doing, Robert?
Great, thank you for having me.
Robert, could you give us a quick overview of Zencash? What's the project about?
Absolutely. So Zencash is a massively privacy-oriented platform. So we take zero-knowledge cryptography and we extend that to the platform to have a kind of a full system and not just like we have a cryptocurrency, but that's one part of it. So then we started layering in a whole bunch of other kind of applications on top of that, and we have a huge node network already, like about 7,500 nodes.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah. So it's starting to get up there with Bitcoin, which is pretty cool.
Oh, that's very good, yeah. Could you tell us a little bit more about the roadmap of your project? At which point is the project right now? What did you already achieve and the vision for the future?
Yeah, so Zen's been around for about 1 year. We're starting to approach our 1-year anniversary. And initially it was all about just kind of laying the initial infrastructure. Now we're starting to focus on actual usability, customer support. Like for instance, we set up a customer support division. So now like we're the only cryptocurrency where if you have a problem, we treat you like an actual customer. So people can submit a ticket. We have real people, contacting them and helping resolve issues.
Do you have to be your client to?
No, not at all. It's open to anyone in the world. And we're actually trying to pioneer like a distributed customer support model where you actually get paid to do customer support. That's just one thing where we recognize that cryptocurrencies are not very usable right now. So we're going really hard on redesigning our products with the user in mind. Right, and then we have some really big research and development in the pipeline, like a protocol level DAO, like a voting system in there, and we're looking at a DAG upgrade. So like to kind of go like an IOTA approach, but actually a more academically rigorous one where we do a block DAG structure, where you package transactions into blocks, and the blocks are arranged into a tree. Whereas IOTA is kind of, transactions So
beautiful, Robert, beautiful. Robert was also one of the speakers here at the show. Do you want to give the public a short recap? What did you talk about?
Absolutely. So what I talked about was the title was From Cypherpunks to $1 Billion Ventures. So basically, I wanted to remind people where we came from. That we were cypherpunks to create this. So we at Zencash, we still stick to this, right? But I think a lot of the industry doesn't. It's going in many ways, and that's fine. And then I kind of led the audience through the path of where we are right now as an industry, and then I gave them some insight into how it was for us as a startup in the industry. Is chaos, total chaos. And it's an investor show, so I tried to kind of give them something useful as investors. Here's what to look for in a good project, a good team, and so forth.
Beautiful, Robert. If we return a little bit for the Zencash.
Yeah.
You said the project has been around for 1 year now, right?
Yes.
Could you maybe give us a number, how many people already are using it, maybe your customer service?
So it's hard to say exactly. In these kinds of distributed projects, you really don't know exactly, but when we add up all of our communication channels, wallet downloads and such, we think about 50,000 active users. Which is, it's interesting for kind of a relatively small project.
It's only been around for 1 year.
Yeah, exactly. So I think now we've just gone through a huge kind of team building exercise where now we have 50 people organized into 7 divisions where we're operating really efficiently like an actual organization, not just as chaos. So I think from here it's going to accelerate pretty fast.
Beautiful, Robert. Thank you very much for your time. We're going to end it right there. I'm Giga for 2100 News, live from London. Thank you, Robert.
Thank you very much.